Okay, here's my pantheon of skimmers. These are all the skimmers I have made so far. A skimmer is basically just an outrigger that instead of using long and skinny displacement, it uses hydroplaning surface. This is the original. It's elliptical. It has an arc on the top and the bottom is flat, but it's inclined. If you look at it this way, it has some dead rise. Dead rise is the angle that goes up when you're looking at the front. So this got up to 11 knots top speed. The second one I did was a big wedge. This produced so far the fastest results. This got up to 12 knots. It's a little bit wider than the other ones, and it has a step. So in the middle, it transitions from a steeper angle to a more shallow angle. And this had the best performance. If you look at the bottom, it has these, it has some rails on the side edges, but they're very minimal. And that worked really well. Next, I tried this. It's also a wedge shape, and it has a small amount of dead rise, very subtle. If you look at the back, it has a little bit of dead rise. This is the only one that has basically curves on the top and the bottom. This one did not work really well, and I suspect the reason why is because I tried these really big side rails, and that created a lot of drag. So I noticed a lot of drag happening right in these corners. So I'm gonna cut those off and retry this one. Yeah, you don't wanna, they're just too big, as you can see. Okay, well, I've been waiting about a half hour for that truck to leave, but he's not leaving. He's just parked over here, just running his engine forever. Anyway, so here's the last. So here's the pantheon of skimmers again. The last two that I have not tested yet are this traditional float, which is undersized, but it has a skimmer on the top. So basically it's a hybrid skimmer, dynamic and static lift. It has a wiggle on the bottom. According to some research papers that I've read, the wiggle it reduces drag slightly. If you look at the bottom of some of the more recent lifting foils, they're actually no longer flat on the bottom. They actually, some of them have a wiggle like this. So that's the idea behind the wiggle, the S shape. And then finally is the pure delta. It's a delta wing shape. It's basically the wetted surface of the underside of a speedboat when it's going really fast. That's what the wetted surface would look like. All the rest of the boat is basically cut away. So you have, this one has the most dead rise. It's around 12 degrees. and it has a angle of incidence, angle of attack of about 6 degrees. Anyway, so those are the last two skimmers for testing, and then I'll have a good idea of which ones are the best. So far, I really like the simplicity of this elliptical one. It has sort of advantages in all kinds of different ways. It's very light. It's very compact. It has a small amount of dead rise on it. Look. It has dynamic lift if it goes under. Surface area, it's a little bit smaller than this guy, this big old flying wedge. Yeah, I also like this wedge, this simple wedge. It just kind of looks funny, but it works really well. So as far as the ones that look the best, I think it's the original ellipse. This guy looks really interesting, and I think the Delta looks very interesting as well. Alright, I guess that guy's just gonna sit there all day long.